Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's a quick tour of the Vintage Coach Sonoma Cosmetic pouch, style number 4973 in the color Camel, and I would estimate it was most likely made sometime in the 1990s. So like the name suggests, this is a great little cosmetic pouch. It has a zip top closure with a zipper pull that says Coach. And when we open it, it still has the original tissue paper. And it's got a nice lining on the inside. And it still comes with the original price tag and this little booklet with information about the brand. And here's a quick 360 of it. So here's the front. The front and the back pretty much are identical. Here's a side view. Here's what the bottom looks like. And then here's the top again with that zipper pull and that zipper. So that is the Sonoma Cosmetic pouch. It's now available in our online store, so the link will be below if you wanted to check it out further. As well as there is a link in the description box as well with all the information on this bag that I mentioned earlier in the video, as well as a link to sign up for our email newsletter list, as well as links to all of our social media. Thanks for watching and take care.